Say hi, say hi, say hi. So that is the place we'll be going to. There's this Indian Niagara Falls, right?
Yes.
Indian Niagara Falls here. Yeah, it's on the banks of Narmada River. So yeah, here are some my classmates, our students. Say hi to them. This is Riya Vasaikar.
This is Sandeep Tati. Here is Vaibhavi Letkar. And here is Makad Vignesh. And here is our principal. Here is our principal, Dr. MBBS YS Malgete. पुढचे संतान नवरे so whatsoever our very own Dr. Malge, not Malge. Malge काय येतं Mihir MDH. So on this note we'll go further for now.
अरे माँ. We have already left for safari, and you can see as my fellow mates joining us. We are the last safari, last ride, last together to go safari. So this is the died deciduous forest of Kanha, as you can see there.
That's our hotel.
This is Kaveri Ghanekar.
Riya D'Souza.
Hi, Riya D'Souza. Satyapriya Sahu.
Madhura Jayawant.
Hi.
मैंने देखी. दिसला मग तुम्ही.
Hi.
मैंने देखी. दिसला मग तुम्ही.
Hi.
मैंने देखी.
दिसलीस तू दिसलीस तू दिसलीस तू फुलले ऋतू का इलाका बहुत बड़ा है. 2005 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का पूरा है होल पार्क, जिसमें से 914 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर कोर एरिया है. कोर कहना चाहिए टाइगर रिजर्व, जिसमें कोई गांव नहीं, ना कोई हस्तक्षेप, ना कोई कुछ नहीं है ना. और 1005 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर बफर एरिया. तो बफर एरिया में कुछ विलेजेस है वहाँ भी हालांकि एंट्री चालू है, वहाँ भी टूरिस्ट जाते हैं। पर और इसका 4 जोन है, कान्हा, किसली, मुक्की और एक सरी। मतलब जंगल वही है, इसका इलाका बांट दिया गया है, भीड़ एक जगह ना होगा। तो अपन मुक्की जोन घूमेंगे और मुक्की जोन बेस्ट जोन है, ठीक है।
हाय सु, हाय दीक्षा, हाय संदीप।
आप जो भी जानवर दिखेगा बिल्कुल शालीनता से देखिएगा, शोर नहीं मचाएगा। ये है वो है वो है, इस टाइप से।
We are here in the village of the Baiga community. So we are here to meet the people of the Baiga community, to know the
Aspects of the socio-economic and the environmental background and the cultural background of how they turn into poachers to like conservationists, the grassroots conservationists. So here fellow classmates and my fellow classmates and my teachers and my faculty members there. So this is Sandeep. Hi Sandeep. Shubham say hi. Hi. चलो काटो hi बोलो hi लगेगी तुझे hi साले तेरी यहाँ शादी तय हो जाए नहीं मराठी पोरगी बजा. So yes, we are here. नाही मला दिसायचं आहे फक्त. So we are here to meet the Baiga people. Vandana Jadhav. She was not with us today, but she is now with me. So we are going to the Baiga people. So what's your view on that?
I don't know.
You don't know. So she'll be going there and she'll be spontaneous after that. So let's see what she says there. Vandana will be spontaneous on point when she reaches there. Ma'am, any views or perspective on the Baiga people, Baiga community people?
So this is my faculty, Ms. Amrita Kakka, and she has given a good task, which will be
Hopefully, which I will live up to the mark.
Yes. So can you please
Yeah, what
elaborate on the task what we have given.
You have to write
I
the
have
report.
given the task of
Writing the report.
getting the neurons running for my students because they become little jam gaye hai, so lazy.
Okay, so she has grouped us into 3 groups. 4 groups. Okay, 4 groups we are distributed into. And yes, what are those groups will be doing?
They will be studying the economical, ecological, cultural and educational aspects of the Baiga community.
Okay. So yes, so we are moving forward with the Baiga community, and he is a leader, our principal, a future principal of iOS, Mr. Mihir Herlekar. So you can see him at the back. So bye. I'll get up to you there with the Baiga community people.
Baiga community people.
Hi. So hi guys, again we are here. So this is the place where the Baiga community is located. Where the Baiga community is located. Hi guys. So she's Apurva. She's a what do you are? She's my friend. Yeah, she's my friend.
I am his twin sister.
So yeah, so there are some Baiga community people there. They are making their so they are making this jewelry kind of thing which is helping in their income. Ankit, can you add more on this?
This is a very beautiful piece of jewelry, but also very complicated thing, which might look easy, but it's really not that easy for us, and it's going to be a very good challenge. So let's see if Aniket and I can complete this.
And the more interesting factors, whatever we are like making or the jewelry we'll be making, we'll be like
Also buying that.
So that will generate a small amount of income which will go to the Baiga community people. So this is the source of income who are staying at home, the people staying at home. So thank you. We'll see the next session when Ankit will be making some jewelry for her friend or her
You
mom.
as well. You as well.
Yes,
You as
Sandeep.
well.
Yes, Sandeep. Hi Vandana, what you are making? You are making a bracelet, Vandana?
Yeah, I'm making a bracelet.
What all color combination you have choose? Huh?
Blue, black and yellow, white.
Hi Kaveri. So you had made a beautiful jewelry.
We are still in process.
So what will you call it? Any specific name?
Rakhi
What will you name it?
Rakhi choker.
Choker. So see the ethnicity and authenticity, the jewelry of our people. The jewelry is specifically made by Baiga community. So Sandeep, say hi. इस गांडू ने कुछ नहीं किया. ये गांडू गाँव पर गाना बना रहा था डुकर के साथ. So guys, so today we see a light of not a light. There's no light now. We are in the early morning. So we are going to Kanha Gate today, and there's this serene beauty in my front. Like I can't. The nature is very cool here, and like माहौल बन गया है. ज़माना हमसे है, माहौल हम बनाएंगे. Let's see if we see the tiger, and we'll pass through the Mukhi Gate, not the Kanha Gate. Bye. now into Mukhi Gate.
आते वक्त ना हमें खाना म्यूजियम भी कवर करना है.
Entering the Mukhi Gate now. Entered the forest. So we are the food safari. Food gypsy now. Let's see if we sight anything. Hoping to see a good tiger sighting or any leopard sighting. Maybe cat sighting. Yeah. गौर से देखिए इन गौर को. So yeah, you can see at the back side. This is the Indian gaur. What you call? It's also called bison. So here he is the leader of the group for the gaur. And you can see there is this troop of gaur.
ये कितने दिन का रहेगा छोटा वाला?
रहेगा
नहीं
6 महीने.
good animals. Like they are
एक
aggressive
से
at
2-3
some time.
महीने का रहेगा मुश्किल से.
Spotted deer behind me. There and what all?
उठ पे कब है?
और?
उधर
roller
कलर मस्त है. उधर
It's a
रोलर
vibrant
जहाँ से
blue
उड़ा उसके
color
आगे
roller.
उधर woodpecker.
There's a woodpecker there. There's a woodpecker there. You can see on the back.
Racket-tailed drongo.
Racket-tailed drongo. Like, there's a diversity of birds in this area.
झाड़ के पास है.
And the thing is, we are not say.
उसके पीछे रॉबिन है ना वो वुड के पास ऊपर.
There's also robin there. The good thing was what I was saying that there are no crows there. So it's good. These time crows are very
annoying.
Yeah, very annoying.
With observation.
And in forest you can't see crows, but the birds, and all that matters is birds. You can see at my back there is a group of sambar at my back, and also here he has holded his position in a good way to take some photographs. Say hi. So yes, that was sambar. That was the male one and that was the female one. So that was my room basically. So we are like residing in this place. This is a good place called Grand Tiger Resort. It's like 4-winged with there's you can see the campfire station there, and in the upper part there are various activities like you can play carom or chess or table tennis. We are going for our last safari. We haven't yet sighted our tiger. Finger crossed. So let's see. We sight a good sighting of tiger will happen. So hopefully. So let's see. वास्तुशास्त्राचे धडे गिरवलेले आहेत रिया ह्यांनी. तू मेरे बीच में तू कैसे दिखेगी? तो रिया ने वास्तुशास्त्र के धड़े गिरवले हैं, तो मिल जाए टाइगर. बस यही प्रार्थना है मुझसे. नेचर से विलो पाएगा. नेचर इज गॉड. सो लेट्स सी एंड लास्ट सफारी. सो जंगल में फिर से वन लास्ट टाइम अफगाना. बाय. So hi guys, our fellow mates are there in those 4 gypsies. Say hi. सगळे येतात.
हाय बोला.
So the last, what can I say? मी भाऊक झालो आता.
अरे सेंटी हो के बातें भी तू कर रहा है सेंटिया.
can see there at the back the peacock is dancing, and here there are some sambar deers present. The spotted deers and sambar deer.
ये अजमेर कहाँ गया मधुरा?
असे
ये अजमेर कहाँ गया मधुरा?
So we didn't sighted a tiger today again. We were unlucky enough to sight a tiger. So now we are in our hotel again. It's cool, but we have seen many different diverse animals today. We saw 2 jackals. So we are on a bird watching session, ma'am. Bird watching session. Birding on a natural trail in Mukhi core zone.
It's not a core zone, it's a buffer zone.
It is a core, it's a buffer zone. So we'll be identifying the birds. So the species are very diverse, and
We got limbu.
we got limbu. See this, we got limbu. Big trees have limbu. By the way, these are salt trees, ma'am.
Salt trees, huh?
So these trees are salt trees.
Crocodile tree.
And there is this crocodile bark tree. Crocodile bark, this one. So we are here at the watchtower. The watchtower doesn't have a watch here, but it has a watchman there. See?
It's going up and she's
She is
investigating
investigating.
whether anything's fine and sane.
Is there any call of birds? Let's see. ये देखो. So we have a nice view at the back. There's this inversion of, as you can see, the fog kind of thing coming out of water. There's this inversion of temperature. The water temperature is higher or more than the outside temperature. परतीच्या प्रवासाला सुरुवात झालेली आहे. सो कान्हा, बाय कान्हा, आपने हमें नहीं दिखाया टाइगर, फिर कभी मिलेंगे आपको. So just departing my Grand Tiger Resort, which we were residing in for last 3 days. The resort was very cool. The amenities were like first class. And also, anything to add up, Shubham?
No, thank you.
Thank you. He says thank you because all was completely well. The trip, and yes, by Grand Tiger Resort. So hi guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Bandra की निब्बी is with me. Bandra की निब्बी. सँडस रोडचा राजा आहे, माझ्या सोबत आहे अतुल घाडे. से हाय माटे. तर आम्ही आलो आहोत आता गोंदिया स्टेशनला, गोंदिया रेल्वे स्टेशन, गोंदिया जंक्शन. So we'll be departing for CST. Go by the Vidarbha Express. विदर्भ कडून चाललंय बे.
आणि नागपूरला खाणार मिठाई रे.
हल्दीराम वाली मिठाई आणि हल्दीरामचा चकना.
आता बोलू नको, जर नाही मिळाला तर टायगर सारखं होईल.
ठीक आहे. तर आपण 5 नंबरला चाललोय आता. 5 नंबरला जायचंय. सो ॲट लास्ट परतीचा प्रवास सुरू झालेला आहे. CSTला जायचं. विघ्नेश से हाय. हॅलो. वैभवी से हाय. टाइगर
ऐसे क्या किया हमने गुनाह है.
ऐसे क्या किया हमने गुनाह है, टाइगर नहीं दिखा हमें कान्हा में।